Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is elders, leaders. So, in the New Testament, elders or Greek, prebystor, teros, were appointed to shepherd, teach, and oversee local churches. They are also called overseers, bishop or episcopos, and pastors, shepherds, appointment, showing the responsibility to care for God's flock. So, ayon po sa Acts 20, verse 28, meron pong notes dito na elders, bishops, and pastors refers to the same role. So, yung mga bishops, pastors, and elders ay same lang daw po yung role nila. Kumbaga, iisa lang sila ng layunin. So, next is, elders are leaders of the New Testament churches. So, yung mga elders po, sila po yung new leaders ng New Testaments. And last is, elders are selected mainly by moral standard. So, ayon po sa Acts 20, verse 28, keep watch over yourselves and all the flock of which the Holy Spirit has made you overseers. Be shepherd of the church of God, which He bought with His own blood. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, on the beginning on being a leader, it is primarily a function, not just a title. So, hindi lang basta-basta titulo yung magiging leader ka. Kumbaga, function siya. Kapag sinabing function is, kailangan, gumagalaw ka din, kumikilos ka as a leader. Hindi yung pwedeng, masabing mo lang leader ka. So, next is, it is primarily about morality, not just skills. So, hindi lang siya basta, hindi lang siya na maano sa skills, kumbaga, sa morality mo siya, sa moral mo siya. So, next is, it is primarily about serving, not being served. So, ito, about to sa pagsiserve kay God, hindi yung pagsiserve to sa'yo, kundi kay Kristo. Kasi, kahit ano ka man is, or nagtuturo ka man is, pare-parehas lang tayo na naglilingkod sa ating Panginoong Jesucristo. So, para sa ating application, lead according to your own God-given capacity. So, i-lead mo yung binigay sa yung capacity ni God. So, next is, lead as a messenger who lives the message. So, magsilbi kang mensahe or messenger at ibahagi mo yung salita ng Diyos sa iba. Kumbaga, i-share mo yung gospels. Ipalaganap mo yung salita ng Diyos. So, last is, lead a small group in your church or community. So, pwede kang mag-lead ng small group sa inyong church or community and i-share ang salita ng Diyos. Ayun lang po, maraming salamat.